Amazon KDP Niche Research Episode 32. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I teach you how to make money in life fast and easy. In today's video, we're going to continue with the top 5 Amazon KDP niches, but before we get into that, I want to make a quick announcement that at the end of this video, I'm going to talk more about Pixelball Studios. So if you haven't heard more about that and you want to learn more about it, stick around to the end. So the first niche for today is the budget planner. It has 2,000 results. I found this niche using eRank right here. Budget planner is turning blue, over 27,000 Google searches per month. It's a good indication that people are searching for this. So I did a search on Amazon and I found 2,000 results. Let's take a look at the top ranking books in this niche. From glancing, I saw that is these spiral books that are top ranking. Actually, they're being sponsored. So let's scroll down a little bit and see what other books are ranking without being sponsored. Still sponsored right here. Okay, it's still the spiral books that are ranking in this category. I'm actually searching for a low content or no content book, and once I don't find it, that means that there's a huge space for it. All right, I found one right here, price at $6.88. Actually, this one is budgeting workbook, but what we are searching for is budget planner, so they are kind of similar. And it says monthly and weekly budget planner. It actually is a budget planner. Okay guys, so this is the first result that I found for no content low content book, page 1, and it's not being sponsored and it's doing quite well guys. Look at this, 2,000 reviews and it's being priced at $6.88. so obviously there's space for no content low content books producers like us to get into this niche as fast as possible, because as you can see, it's not just the spiral books that are doing well, the low content book are also doing well, and this is a good example of that. So going to Creative Fabrica, I found an interior for you guys. Creative Fabrica budget planner KDP interior, price $7.50, and they are doing a Halloween 50% off discount right now. So if you're interested in that, just click a link down in the description below and get into the page, and you can immediately see this on your page and you can click the view deals. So this budget planner right here, KDP interior graphic, over 40 people have added to see favorites. We have one review and the person says thank you. And what does it come with? It comes with 3 different variants of PDF files, trim size 8.5 by 11 and no bleed, so you should take note of that. Going over to our publisher Rocket budget planner, we're going to take a look at the different keywords that we can use with this niche. So I'm just going to quickly do a scroll for you so you can easily grab the keywords and use. Alright, that was it for the budget planner. We're moving over to niche number 2, wedding planner. So going over to eRank, I did some search and I found wedding planner. So right here, wedding planner, I found over 74,000 Google searches, and it's been doing quite well for some time now guys, as you can see, and it shows that it's a niche that has been people have been searching for it over time, as you can tell. So going over to Amazon, I did a search for wedding planner and I found over 3,000 results, and I did a quick search for a wedding planner, and the first one that got my eyes is this one right here, budget savvy wedding planner and organizer. And I decided to do a quick search on it because it actually looks like a KDP book, and actually there is paperback, Kindle and spiral bound, and we can just take a quick look at it inside and see if it's what we're searching for. Okay, so actually it's not a low content book. That's what I was trying to know, if it's low content or no content book, but it's not. And we're actually searching for just low content books to see if they are doing well in this category. And if we don't find any book, that means that there's actually space for us to start uploading books in this category. So this is one that I found right here. It says, look at me getting all married and S. So let's take a look at this and see if it is low content, no content book. So I'm just going to quickly look inside. And yes, it is low content, no content book. So this one is actually bullet points and some other drawings. So this is actually what we're searching for, a low content book. So actually this is doing well, 115 ratings and price at $9.99. So guys, this is a prime example showing us that this niche is doing well. And going over to Creative Fabrica, I found an interior for you guys. It's a wedding planner checklist, and it's priced at $7.50. And we have one review. Let's take a look at the review. The person says thanks, and that was July 8th, not too long ago, that this person purchased this book. All right, and it's available 6 by 9 inches, 3 different variations of PDF files. All right, so going over to Publisher Rocket, Wedding Planner. So we're going to do a quick scroll for you guys. Okay, so that was it for the keywords. We're moving over to niche number 3. Niche number 3 is a teacher planner, guys. You know that students are going back to school, that's in-person learning. So teachers are looking for planners as well as students are looking for planners. So this is the teacher's planner. I found this on eRank, the niche on eRank. Right here, teacher planner. Over 12,100 Google searches. People are really searching for these guys. And going over to Creative Fabrica. No, actually, before we go to Creative Fabrica, let's take a look at Amazon. So I found 4,000 results, and the first ones has been sponsored. I'm just going to ignore that for now and see the top ranking books which are not being sponsored, and see if there's any low content book in it. So this one's the first results, no low content book. Right here, on the 12 results, it says it looks like a low content book. Pretty simple planners, price $7.99. Let's take a look at it and see if it's actually a low content book. And it's a teacher planner, over 1,000 ratings. Wow. So this is for the year 2021-2022, as you can see here, lesson planner. And yep, it is a low content book, guys. So over 1,000 ratings. Teachers are looking for this for the year 2021-2022. So let's take a look at Creative Fabrica and see what interior they have for us. Teacher's planner. Over 80 people have added this to favorites, and it's available as 8.5 by 11 inches, 3 different variants of PDF files. It has 120 pages, and no review yet. Yeah, no review yet, guys. So that's the interior font for you guys. We're gonna go over to Publisher Rocket and see what keyword we can use with this niche. You see, people are actually tuned for this. Teachers Planner 2021-2022. Let me take a look at this. 5,000 monthly earnings. And as you can see, although I'm not seeing Amazon searches yet, but look at the complete score. It's very low, guys. And I actually found Google searches, as we can see here from eRank. Teachers Planner, over 12,100 people are looking for this on Google. And you know, Amazon ranks well on Google, so definitely you should be getting some sales, as we can tell from these results right here. Over 1,134 sales from one person, guys. Wow, this is incredible. Okay, so and let's see when this was published. Oh, publication date May 14, 2020. That was last year. All right, so let's take a look at keywords that we can use. Teachers planners and calendar, teachers planner, calendar, things like that. So guys, back to school niches is doing quite well from the print on demand world and even the Kindle Direct Publishing world. Back to school niches are doing quite well. So that's just a tip for you right there. And going to the next niche, niche number 4, is this ADHD Planner, Attention Deficit something planner. I've forgotten the full meaning of ADHD. And over just 806 results, guys. Not many books in these niches. And I found this niche using A rank. I'm just going to do a quick scroll right here. From nowhere, it just popped up 2,900 Google searches. I'm, I'm, I'm just guessing that maybe ADHD awareness month is coming, something like that, for it to be popping up like this. So 2,900 searches. Going over to Amazon, I found just 800 and what results? 806 results. Yeah. And the first book is sponsored. That's the spiral as well as no content book is sponsored. So I'm just gonna leave that for a while and look at the ones that are not being sponsored and see if there's any low content book in it. Right here, guys, get it out of your head and onto paper. So we have just one review here, and oh my goodness, how plain this is. This is I'm even surprised that someone bought this, guys. It just says ADHD Planner with this very turquoise color, no decoration whatsoever on the page. So there's just an empty space, and okay, you have this is a low content book, and actually someone has bought it. This is this is actually funny because it's surprising that you see how simple a book can be and how people just buy it. So it doesn't matter how your decoration, your cover is looking like. As far as there's demand for it, people obviously buy it. So when was this published? Just June 19, guys. This is of recent and it has already gotten a few sales, like 2 or more. Wow. So you can actually tell that this niche is doing quite well, guys. So we should get into this niche as fast as possible. So going to Creative Fabrica, ADHD Planner, I found this over 72 people already is a favorite and one review. The person says excellent, thank you. And size 6 by 9 inches, 3 different variants available of PDF files, 120 pages. And let's move on to the keywords. ADHD Planner. So let's do some quick scrolling. There you have it. So I'm moving over to the fifth niche of the day of the video. The fifth niche is this homeschool planner. So like I told you that back to school niches is actually doing quite well right now. So the first one was the teacher's planner. This one now is homeschool planner for those who are doing homeschooling. So obviously I found this result on A-Rank homeschool planner right here. Over 6,600 people are searching for this, and let's just take a look at the results on Amazon. Homeschool planner, 3,000 results. Let's take a look at low content books in this niche. So the first ones are being sponsored. I'm just gonna move away from that, move on to the ones that are not being sponsored. I don't think people will want to buy it as much as if it says 2021, 2022. So let's take a look at this. So, okay guys, this is exactly what we're searching for. Low content book for the years 2021, 2022. So this is exactly what we should be doing. Making a book similar to this or even better than it. Homeschool planner for the years 2021, 2022. So it has about 10 ratings and it was published just a recent March 31st to be exact. And let's take a look at the results from Creative Fabrica. That one has just 4 or 8 or 7 results. We can take a look at this one right here that is a year at a glance, 12 months, pages. So this is actually what we should be looking at. It's so I give a review. Let's take a look at it. I love it. It was easy to edit and had good bones for me to build up. So I'm thinking this is the one we should go for because it has 60 plus ready to build, ready to print pages. 5 sizes are included. So these are the sizes are included, and it's 60 plus pages as opposed to the other one that was I think 7 pages or so. So I think this is the best result. This one right here, Homeschool Planner. And for the keywords, we can use this one right here. So I'm just gonna do a quick scroll for you. Homeschool planner for 1 student, homeschool planner for 2 kids, homeschool planner record. You see, people keep specifying. So guys, that's why I keep recommending that we use the years 2021 2022 because this is what people are actually searching for. Yeah, estimated Amazon searches 100, average monthly earnings 1000, so the company score 85, not too much. So like I said, at the end of the video I was going to talk more about Pixelball Studio. So Pixelball Studio is a website similar to Creative Fabrica. It's actually a website produced by Adhd Martinez, a friend of mine, a fellow YouTuber, and we actually did an interview a few weeks ago about merch by Amazon and the number of sales I got. I already made a video about that, so we did an interview too on his channel, and we got talking about Pixelball Studio. So it's actually a KDP interior subscription, and the difference with Creative Fabrica and Pixelball Studio is that with Pixelball Studio it includes keywords. So with the interior goes keywords, and let me just show you inside. So this is actually the dashboard. When you log in, it looks like this, and I'll just show you an example. This one right here is the Breda lock interior. So when you open up the file, it has five files in it. There's a PowerPoint. If you want to edit it, this is how you can edit it. So it's available in PowerPoint, EFPUB, PDF, EINTD, IDML. So whichever way you want to edit it, this is how you can do it. So you can just easily download these interiors together with the keywords that are included in it, and you have access to all the interiors together with the keywords. So that's the difference between Pixelball Studio and those. Just like I do research and I give you the keywords separate in Publisher Rocket. By the way, if you're interested in Publisher Rocket, there's a link in the description down below. It's a one-time payment and you never have to pay again. You own it for life. So just like I do the niches, do the niche research, and I do the keywords and I show you the keywords, it's exactly the same thing that Adhd Martinez does, but he puts it in a pack, in a file, in different formats and uploads it so everyone can have access to it. So if you're interested in it, there's a link down in the description below. It's gonna say Pixelball Studio and you're gonna have access to it. So guys, that's what I wanted to talk about. If you found value in any of these niches today, let me know in the comment section below, and leave any comments that you want to leave. I'm gonna reach out to you in the comment section below. So guys, if you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about print on demand KDP, this is a channel for you. Hit that subscribe button, then I'll bell notification so you'll be the first notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you in the next one.